Hello, good morning. Today is our last day here in Sapporo and it's already 9:12 a.m. according to the big clock in front of me. I'll show you. Yan. Nakita nyo? Zoom natin. Hanggang 2 lang eh. Yung tower na nakikita nyo, yun yung Sapporo TV Tower. Yan. So, yan yung view dito sa room namin. And, 9:13 na. Okay? Okay, as the saying goes, everything comes to an end. So, and we are about to embark, or not embark. We're about to go home today. Our flight is at 6:20 p.m. going back to Manila. And we are going to the airport mga around 2 or 3 p.m. So, mabilis lang naman, mga 40 minutes from Sapporo going to Chitose. So, yung check-out namin dito sa hotel is at 11 a.m. So, we will maximize our stay kasi throughout our stay, di naman talaga namin masyado. Ganoon naman talaga. Syempre, you're out all the time and usually umuwi kami most of the time 10 p.m. So, mga aalis kami 10 a.m. Babalik kami ganun 9 or 10 p.m. So, tagal namin sa lamierdahan. Yan. So, and today we decided na we will maximize yung hanggang 11 and then after that, mag-check out kami. Iwanan lang namin saglit yung luggage and then we will look for somewhere nice to eat lunch. Okay? So, and we'll see if we will still be able to drop by dun sa Sapporo Clock Tower, tama? And Sapporo Old Municipal Hall. Kasi hindi namin napuntahan yesterday. Bakit? Ano ba? Nag-shopping. Hindi na namin kayo nasama sa pagsha-shopping. Wala naman kami masyadong binili. That usual Japanese omiyage, yung mga pinagbibili lang naman namin dito. Yung mga, ako, nakakatawa, mga binibili ko dito is mga household items. Yan. So, personal items. Okay? So, ayun, so sige, later mag-empake na kami. Actually, nag-empake na kami rin pala kami last night, kaya hindi na rin kami nakapag-dinner out. And today, i-continue na lang namin yung pag-empake because we only have 2 hours and we need to go out of the room. So, ayun. Kita-kits tayo. Later! Bye-bye room. See you again next time. We don't know when. Yeah, so nagdaan kami sa subway para hindi kami mainitan going to the clock tower. Daming tao, no? Tuesday ngayon. So this is the underground shopping center. So this is very useful, especially during the winter. Okay, so yung rest area dito sa underground shopping complex ng Sapporo. It's actually connecting 3 towns. So Sapporo, 3 stations, Sapporo, Susukino, Sapporo, Odori, and Susukino. So, yan. Wow, flowers. So, nakalabas na kami sa underground shopping center. And we are now heading to the Sapporo Clock Tower. So we're gonna turn right according to our Google Map. Walking Google Map. Daddy said we can. We follow the local. The weather is pleasant, cloudy, but it's kind of warm already. But it's not warm. It's just, this is the warmest so far since the time we came here in Sapporo. So ayan yung Sapporo Clock Tower. Hindi kami nakapasok dyan before. But now, I think they opened it to the public. There's like a museum there. It's not free. So the cost pala, the entrance fee is 350 for adult. Pag group rate, 300. If you're a university student, kailangan with student ID 150. Pag high school student, kailangan may high school student ID. Do you have ID?
No, I don't. It's in my bag.
Don't you have like a...
It's in my bag. I left
Okay.
2 adults and 1 child.
High school. So, this is the route one. The charge is 350 unless you have student ID with you. Then you need to
high school.
pay the full amount. If you have the ID, if you're a high school student, then it's free. Ito yung mga pictures. No. Oh, everything is in Nihon. There's no English translation lang nga. Okay, up to you how you want to. Sapporo Clock Tower miniature. Ito yung makikita. And that's it. Nothing much actually.
Second floor.
We'll just go to the tower. Pwede ka daw kumain. So, going up. Snap a pic with Dr. Clark. Ganda. First. So, from here, outside, and here, the stairs. It's like a church. There's so many benches here. Oh, that's the clock. Pendulum. But there's no English translation. And this is pretty much it.
Tokei Daiの時計機械はアメリカ・インハワード社製です。鐘は日本で作られたと考えられています。
PC, MJ, Dr. Clark, the one who made the clock sa Sapporo clock since 1878.
You can crop it later.
This is the Sapporo clock tower up close. Look. So that's the tower. We are going
Park
home.
or hindi na?
Last hurrah. Let's go.
Tony Park Transport or hindi na?
Hindi na. Kain tayo, masarap. That's what I want to do. I don't like to see muna. Ayan, pabalik na kami mga ka-KKKs. We're going to Daimaru Mall. And we'll see if we can eat sushi for our last lunch here in, let's go to Daimaru, Daddy. Okay. And so ngayon naman naglakad kami sa labas and we're getting inside the, oh, how thoughtful. I thought we're going down the stairs. Look at this, Daddy. This is look at this. Roast beef daw yan.
Ah, pwede naman ganyan.
And we'll find roast beef. Okay, we'll find sushi here. So, ang daming options. Here you can try many things. And even cakes. The thing is, are you allowed to eat here? You're not, right? Huh?
Hindi dito.
Ah, okay. Then there's no point to buy. There's no table. You need to take it out. Where's the elevator? So, dito sa 8th floor, there's so much food restaurants that you can choose from. So, starting off with mga tempura, the prices also varies per restaurant, but relatively affordable. Oh, there's pizza. MJ, there's pizza. There, oh. Perfect classic. Close? Also? Or it's not open yet? Ito na yata yung line. I think this is Daddy found a place where we can eat it. How much is the price? Walang makakain sa MJ. Puro talagang ano lang. Huwag dyan. Too expensive naman. $3,960. Walang kakainan sa beef tongue. Yeah. Konti lang. Okay naman ah. Tayo mga kakaikinis. Nag-order ako ng spicy miso ramen na with oxtang. We're now in Daimaru. With us. Okay. Update. We are now here in JR Line, Westgate. Actually, kami na lang ni RC yung pumunta sa hotel to get the luggages. So, nag-taxi na kami. The taxi is just 760 or 750 yen. Something like that. So, not bad. Kasi mabilis lang. It's just that we have 5 luggages with us to carry. And si MJ, iniwan na namin dito kasi we know hindi kami mag-fit sa taxi. So, I'm just waiting for both of them. And then we are now going back to our, we're now going back to, or heading to the airport. So, yan yung punta ka sa JR Westgate. Yan na sila, si MJ at si Daddy. MJ. Bye-bye Wi-Fi, MJ. Best friend ni MJ, ha? Bye-bye Wi-Fi. Oh no! Dito natitira si Wi-Fi sa post. So, ang laki ng airport nila.